Well, alright guys, what do we think about AI robots? Oh boy, Q went out of control. I'm not sure what's going on. Hey Q! Anyway, I have to turn off Q if I can find the button now. Oh, there we go. Anyway. Isn't it great when all the robots have apps that aren't apps, that are dead? Oh yeah, that's what we have today. But don't tell that to the people making Grok and all the other AI stuff, because if you tell them, they may have a conniption. Just like, you know how AI is supposed to replace everything? Try typing in, make me the next Walmart, and then AI can't have anything done, can't do anything because it doesn't have agency. Good luck with brick and mortar, building the buildings and all that stuff. Yeah. AI, make me this, make me that. There's not a whole lot that AI can actually do. Especially not fix the problems that we'd love it to fix. Like, hey, bring back all of my cool robots to life. Isn't that something that we all want? I think we really want that. And as you can see, Q, this is one of the coolest robots you can find. Dot and Dash, also very cool. You turn it on and it doesn't know where to go because the app. What is up? Yeah, what is up, Q? It's looking the wrong direction. Interesting, isn't that? And then on the other side we have Vector. And because Vector is not connected to the cloud, it also can't do squat. And where are you going? It's gonna fall off, isn't it? Almost, but not quite. Does it know where it's going? No. Whoa, brother. It's gonna break something, so I'm just gonna turn it off. It was nice knowing you, Q. But anyway, yeah, that's this kind of stuff that I'd like to see happening soon. Because unfortunately, like Eli the computer guy said, what they're really going to do is use AI to replace all the junior professionals in coding and all that kind of stuff. Because why would you want to deal with any of that stuff? But what I'd like to remind people is that what happens when in 10, 20 years, we need the new workers to come in. And all the current workers, they've run their course, they're about to go away, and what are you going to do? What are you going to do? This is how, the movie Idiocracy? If they made a prequel to Idiocracy, it would be a society like right now, what we have in 2025, where nobody is helping and preparing the next generations to replace them. So by the time they pass away, there's nobody to replace them. Yeah, that's kind of what's going to happen to most businesses. The ones that survive AI, right? The ones that can't just easily be replaced by AI will just die simply because there'll be nobody who can actually do the job afterwards. Unless maybe they can do the job if somebody integrates themselves with AI by putting a chip in your brain, like what Elon Musk is doing and stuff like that. Maybe we'll be able to do it that way. But again, what if we hit the breaking point where the day gas ended? Remember that movie that I wanted to make a while ago? That if somebody ever did try to make that movie, they would probably be unalived. Because we're still stuck on every single power source that exists goes boom. Natural gas goes boom. Regular gasoline goes boom. I think diesel goes boom. Lithium-ion batteries go boom. So, I mean, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Because AI can't replace humans until there's at least cold fusion. Because nuclear fusion also goes boom. So it's going to be an interesting time as we're going to see the kids come out of all these different colleges and have absolutely nothing to do. Nothing at all. Because you don't need the low-tier jobs anymore. It's all going to be done by robots. But then what happens when the power sources run out? What happens when the power sources run out? Oh, that'll be interesting. That'll really be interesting. Not looking forward to that, guys.